What if the things that taste like celebration, it's the same thing that is quietly building the body you do not want? The trap is not in the dessert. It is hidden in every food we eat. Bread, breakfast cereals, pasta sauces, drinks, even the foods labeled healthy are loaded with added sugars. Every spoon you do not say keeps your insulin high, the fat storing begins, and then suddenly your energy drops. You eat normal, but your body stores it like feast you never ordered. 2 months ago, I weighed 92 kilos, and now, thanks to only cutting added sugars, I'm 75 kilos with finely lean muscles starting to show. If I can see my own abs, I can confidently say that this works. By only cutting added sugars, the body is designed to heal when the insulin comes down, remove the sweet lies, and the fat burns, craving stops, and the energy returns. You even get clearer skin. It's not magic, it's biology, and it starts with the next bite. Tonight, read one label, find hidden sugars. Just find them only. I'm not asking you to quit. Comment down below what you discovered so that we can escape the trap together.